Kia ora, everyone. Kia ora, Mr Hantler. Alright, we're up to week 3. No mai arohamai ki te wiki tua toru, or Te Reo Māori with Mr Hantler. Welcome to week 3, or session 3. We have in the past introduced ourselves by introducing our father and our mother, which are great connections if you meet someone new. Maybe they know your mum or dad more than they might know you, because they've been around longer. Engari, the way that we're introducing ourselves today is we're saying our kura, because someone might go, oh, I went to a mātou school, and you might find people that you know together. It's sort of a pepeha, but it's more a mihi, introducing yourself to somebody else by saying the more important things first. So, ko mātua tōku kura. You might go to a different school. I don't know how well this video is going to do, but matua is tōku kura. The school I go to is matua, so you put your school there. And of course, your ingoa is your name. Mr Hantler is my name. Right. He rangi, tēnei. Well, if you live in Tauranga Moana, chances are it's a beautiful day. Engari, for the purposes of just doing something different, I'm going to write that it's a little bit cold today. Makariri. He rangi makariri tēnei. Now, it's really important when you're doing the Te Reo Māori to practice saying what you're writing so it sinks in. Te Reo Māori is an oral language, so let's say it together. He rangi makariri tēnei. Ano, he rangi makariri tēnei. It is a cold day. Kei te pēhea koe I tēnei rā. How are you today? I'm feeling a little bit hoha. This is my 3rd time shooting this video, so I'm a little bit hoha today. Ho, and I'm not going to forget the macrons because I want to spell it correctly. Kei te hoha ahau I tēnei rā. I am a little bit miffed today. I'm mainly happy, but come now, it's good to do different things. And then, oh my gosh, kei te aha koe. So we've done aho, we've done I am doing some things, we've done some animals doing some things. Now we have this ah. Can you say ah? Ah is what we say if we want to put somebody's name in there. We've got all these activities from our warm-up. Peke, rere, huri, paki, kani. So inai I'm going to do kani. And then I can put anybody's name in there. Now, I've got a rule at my school. You can't put somebody's name in a sentence unless you ask them first. Or if they're famous, they probably don't mind. So, Messi. Because he's pretty popular right now. Kei te kani Messi. Messi is dancing. He's a soccer player. I'll put his feet out there. There's a soccer ball. And there's a disco ball. He is dancing with his pointy fingers. Yeah. It's a dad dance where you point. Yeah. Kei te kani Messi. Now this is a really fun one because you can do all these different famous people. To say they're doing it at the moment, I need to start with kei te, and then I need to add an activity. Oh, I might do peke, jump. Kei te peke Mr Hantler. Feel free to use my name in a sentence. And then I'll draw myself jumping. And then the last one I might do... Oh, look, this is my favourite. Kei te waiata. Who's the best singer in the world, do you think? I don't know. The first person that comes to mind is Adele. Wunderbar. And then I can draw a picture of her singing into the microphone. Woo! My name is Adele. Obviously, I'm not an art teacher. This is the most fun one because you can put somebody else's name in there. Kei te peke, Mr Hantler. Kei te waiata, Adele. If you finish early, help someone else to do their worksheet. And ka kite everyone. Ka kite Mr Hantler. Awesome.